Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the TT109 tour guide system. First, let's see about the volume. This is the transmitter. It has 5 levels and 0, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And you just press this one to change the volume, will be fine. For the receiver, it has 9 levels, so you can change 9, 7, 4, okay, and that's it. It's quite easy, so in the using station, and you can just change it directly. And it has 2 ways to change the channels, and it has totally 50 channels, so you can change it by 2 ways. First is by menu, and the second is by automatical change all the receivers at once. First, we need to press the set key, and you can see there's a set flash on the screen. At this moment you can change it. Okay, for example, I change it to 12. Okay, and press the confirm, will be fine. And this one as well, press the set. Okay, you can see it is flashing, and use the volume key to change the channel. Okay, and press confirm. You can see it has the same signal, so it means it's successfully. If you want to change the receiver channel, same with the transmitter at once. For example, for 100 receivers, you just need to press the confirm key on the transmitter for 3 to 5 seconds. Let's try it. And this is 12. And let's change this first. And change it to 15. Okay, and press confirm. Now it's changed to 15, and this one is still 12 and no signal. And press the confirm for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, you can see it changed directly and release the confirm. Okay, now they're in the same channel and you can use freely. So it's very easy to use. If you still have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. Thank you.